A proper ESD workstation ground connection is one of the most important technical requirements of an ESD protected area. Let's go over some do's and don'ts to keep your workstation compliant and effective. Do use a common point ground connected to your equipment ground. Use our common point ground monitor for a safe and compliant ESD work surface. Don't ground to insulative surfaces such as painted or powder-coated bench steel. You need a low-resistance connection for a reliable path to ground. Do make sure that your ground snap is compatible with the type of ESD work surface material. The snap has to make a secure electrical connection, especially when using continuous monitors. Don't ground a more conductive vinyl or rubber ESD work surface material through a lesser conductive ESD laminate. Do cover enough of the workstation to ground all conductors sitting on the ESD work surface. Don't place ESD susceptible items or conductors on an ungrounded area of the workstation. Do use a 2-layer rubber or 3-layer vinyl ESD work surface material. These are compatible with the resistance limits of continuous monitors. Don't use homogeneous vinyl materials that aren't compatible with continuous monitors. Do test the resistance to ground regularly of your ESD work surfaces, often enough to ensure they meet the requirements of your compliance verification plan. And don't forget to always document your compliance verification test results. And do remember to like, subscribe, and follow SCS Static Control Solutions. Thanks, everybody.